I'm going to remove the wire harness for the fuel injector on a Cat 3126. Took the valve cover off, and then, well, valve cover plate. I'm not sure what it's called, the technical name. But here is the harness that needs replaced. And it takes, this is the first time I've ever done this, so bear with me. It takes, looks like a 1/8 Allen. So let's go ahead and see if I can get this mounted up so we can record.
2019 and 2020 according to our friend Alex Barry. But the overall situation, just yesterday, there was a demand 2020-2021. Just yesterday, they were asking for props. The administration was for all the evacuations that are done. Jinsaki, wine, bald face, and Joe Biden totally
Here we go. See if we're still on.
I can't imagine that he's not going to get face impeachment inquiries at some level. I mean, this is going to be on. We'll come back with more of the latest updates on this situation.
Alrighty.
But let's switch gears here for a moment, because if you got money in the stock market, you want to
pain in the butt, a little brittle.
From really smart, experienced people. People with a track record of success.
Done screws.
One reason why I started receiving information from Carnivore Trading. They're a group of legendary Wall Street traders who decided to share information every day, all day. You too can subscribe to Carnivore Trading and see why their picks are legendary. GetOurTrades.com right now. Use the promo code USA. They'll show you in real time what their experienced traders are thinking right now. GetOurTrades.com, promo code USA.
Screw. Looks like it's got a washer in there as well. Don't want to lose that, just in case I don't come with a new one. Washer. Probably went out the wrong way.
The Pentagon is only confirming a number of U.S. troops were killed. On Fox this morning, Republican Congressman Jim
grommet, and I pulled through the wrong way, so I'm just going to go ahead and remove that.
Very inefficient
So there.
Kabul public airport. We're seeing the images of this situation could have unfolded a whole lot more effectively. An ISIS splinter group is believed to be responsible for the attack, causing brothers under a
It got pulled out through the back side. There it is. Everything's all brittle, so.
This report is sponsored by Safe Factory Outlet. Safe Factory Outlet, American Liberty Safe in stock. Yes, 20% off Liberty Safes. The best in the business. See Safe Factory Outlet in American Fork. This is the whole channel. Here's what's trending on Private Sports Network.
Right, that's the removal of the wire harness for the fuel injectors on a Cat 3126 out of my 2004 f650. Got a trouble code. Saying 1 through 11. Heck, I don't even remember. But anyways, there it is. I'll come back as soon as I get the new harness. It should be FedEx to me today. To be continued.
That's 801-901-8000. Tune in Saturday morning.